Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Mexico Beach to Apalachicola out 20 nautical miles, coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Mexico Beach out 20 nautical miles, St. Andrews Bay waterways, waters from Mexico Beach to Apalachicola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles, waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Mexico Beach from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 nautical miles northwest of Okaloosa Deepwater Reef to 59 nautical miles west of Empire Micah Wreck, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots. Heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Panama City Beach, Laguna Beach, Empire Micah Wreck, Cape San Blas, Mexico Beach, and Port St. Joe. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. These are the new and east.
Chicky nuggie.